you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
Puasa ya guys, pesanan gue udah datang nih. Tadi gue pesen ayam dabu-dabu, wangi banget sambelnya, gue udah gak sabar. Oh ya guys, kalau kalian buka di Resto Cikini 5, kalian udah free takjil guys, kayak gini es buah sama ada kopanya, enak deh. Sekarang kita langsung yuk cobain rasanya ayam dabu-dabu ala Cikini 5. Nanti baru gue akan review menu temen-temen gue lainnya, oke? Guys, lihat nih, sambelnya wangi banget guys. Kita cobain ya. Wah, enak banget nih guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Serius, sambal dabu-dabunya enak banget guys. Lo wajib cobain. Kalau ke Cikini 5 resto, lo cobain deh pesen ayam dabu-dabunya enak banget guys. Cabenya guys. Harum banget, pedas, ada asinnya, perfect banget. Ayamnya juga enak guys.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think.
Lem apa namanya tadi? Lem Kambing dari bumbu rasanya. Sama kasih nasi biryani.
Nah, Pak, Bapak pesan apa Pak?
Nasi goreng kambing.
Enak nggak Pak?
Lumayan lah, agak berminyak.
Gimana? Pesan apa kamu? Enak nggak?
Nasi bakar khas Cikini 5.
Enak nggak?
Mantap, sambalnya apa lagi?
Oh, nyampe habis ya. Pak, pesan apa Pak?
Kita pesannya nasi goreng ala Cikini 5. Katanya sih enak, cuman
Kok katanya?
mantap lah dicoba, enak banget.
Berarti rekomen ya, Cikini 5 ya. Apanya Pak? Nih dia ini dia nggak pesen apa-apa tapi cuma makan tajil. Halo Om,
Halo.
gimana makanannya di sini?
Lumayan.
Nah, Om kan biasa di sini nih, makan di sini. Kira-kira menu yang rekomen apa tadi?
Kalau di sini masih itu sih ya, nasi bakarnya itu oke banget.
Oke banget.
Nasi bakar sama kalau yang agak ini dikit sambal dabu-dabu ya.
Oh iya, tadi gue udah makan, enak banget sambal dabu-dabunya tadi. Nah, nih guys, jadi cukup rekomen makan-makan di Resto 5 ini. Ini ya salah satu dessertnya nih, blueberry brownie. Apa dek? Abang enak abang. Oke guys, gue udah kelar bukbernya bareng teman-teman kampus gue di Cikini 5 Resto. Untuk tempatnya, wah bagus banget guys. Pokoknya kalian kalau mau kesini bawa keluarga, bawa teman-teman mau hangout itu enak banget. Di lantai 2-nya temanya apa rooftop itu bagus banget. Terus kalau mau buat acara sendiri juga kapasitasnya lumayan, 100 orangan bisa masuk di lantai 1. Terus untuk makanannya pokoknya yang paling enak menurut gue tuh chicken dabu-dabu. Lo kalau kesini wajib nyobain chicken dabu-dabunya karena enak banget. Terus kalau untuk harganya tuh range-nya 30 sampai ratusan deh ya. Kalian nanti bisa lihat juga di Instagramnya Cikini 5. Oke guys, sekian dari gue. Jangan lupa like, share, komen, dan yang pasti subscribe, nyalain loncengnya biar kalian dapat notifikasi video terbaru dari gue. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.